Looking to add a splash of color to your balcony garden? Purple flowers are the perfect choice. They evoke a sense of tranquility and elegance. Hey there, garden enthusiasts in the USA! Today, we're diving into the world of purple flowers that are perfectly suited for balcony gardens. Get ready to be inspired as we unveil our top 10 picks for the most beautiful purple flowers that will thrive in containers and bring joy to your gardening journey. First on our list is the beloved lavender, a true garden classic. Lavender is not only visually stunning with its long, slender stems adorned with fragrant purple blooms, but it also attracts beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies. Lavender thrives in well-draining soil and prefers a sunny spot on your balcony. For optimal growth, water your lavender deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Next up is the enchanting wisteria, known for its cascading clusters of fragrant purple flowers. Wisteria is a climbing vine that can transform your balcony into a magical fairyland. Choose a dwarf variety of wisteria, such as Amethyst Falls or Blue Moon, which are better suited for container gardening. Provide a sturdy trellis or support structure for your wisteria to climb on, and ensure it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Now let's talk about Clematis, a versatile and elegant climber that is perfect for adding vertical interest to your balcony garden. For container gardening, choose a compact Clematis variety like Nellie Moser or the President. Plant your Clematis in a large pot with well-draining soil and provide a trellis or obelisk for support. Regular watering and fertilizing will keep your Clematis happy and blooming throughout the growing season. Chapter 4: Verbena, a butterfly magnet. Moving on to Verbena, a charming and prolific bloomer that will attract butterflies and hummingbirds to your balcony. Verbena produces clusters of tiny purple flowers that bloom from spring to fall. Verbena prefers a sunny location but can tolerate some shade. Deadhead spent blooms regularly to encourage continuous flowering. Chapter 5: Petunia, a cascade of color. Petunias are a classic choice for balcony gardens, and it's no wonder why. These cheerful flowers come in a wide range of colors, including vibrant shades of purple. Their cascading habit makes them ideal for hanging baskets or window boxes. To keep your petunias looking their best, pinch back any leggy stems and fertilize them every 2 weeks during the growing season. Chapter 6: Salvia, a bee's delight. Salvia, also known as sage, is a versatile plant that comes in a variety of colors, including beautiful shades of purple. Salvias are known for their long, spiky blooms that attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds. Salvias prefer a sunny location but can tolerate some shade. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering. Chapter 7: Allium, a globe of purple. Alliums, also known as ornamental onions, are a unique and eye-catching addition to any garden. These fascinating plants produce large globe-shaped flower heads that can range in color from white to purple. Alliums prefer well-draining soil and a sunny location. Plant the bulbs in the fall for a spring bloom. Chapter 8: Aster, a late summer stunner. Asters are a cheerful and vibrant addition to any fall garden. These daisy-like flowers come in a range of colors, including beautiful shades of purple. Asters are known for their late summer blooms, providing color and cheer when many other plants are starting to fade. Asters prefer a sunny location but can tolerate some shade. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering. Chapter 9: Heliotrope, a fragrant delight. Heliotrope is a fragrant and charming plant that is sure to delight your senses. This lovely flower produces clusters of small purple flowers that have a sweet vanilla-like scent. Heliotrope prefers a sunny location but can tolerate some shade. Fertilize every 2 weeks during the growing season to promote healthy growth and abundant blooms. Chapter 10: Pansy, a cool season favorite. Last but not least, we have the charming pansy. Pansies are a cool season favorite, known for their cheerful blooms that come in a wide range of colors, including beautiful shades of purple. Pansies prefer a sunny location but can tolerate some shade. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering. There you have it, our top 10 picks for the most beautiful purple flowers to grace your balcony garden. With a little love and care, your balcony garden will be bursting with vibrant purple blooms in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks, and be sure to let us know in the comments below which purple flower you'll be adding to your balcony garden.